Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia J. So, I'm just gonna let you know it's breaking news right now, y'all. President Trump signed the bill. So, basically, what that means, I know you're thinking, hey, it could have been signed, days ago, but he just signed the $900 billion COVID relief package. And what this means is the $600 payments, direct payments will be going out to the adults as well as the children that qualify. Also, the $300 boost, federal boost payments, along with whatever you was normally getting on unemployment, because actually it end on the 26th. So you would have to go through those steps again, and then you will get that extra $300 boost on top of whatever you was already getting. But he did sign it, so I'm not gonna say how I feel about it. Pretty much is what it is. I mean, you can comment below how you feel about it. But that's what's up right now. So while I have you guys on here, if you like saving money, finding deals, like cheap vacuum cleaners, cheap computers, I've even found 3-cent items at Walmart. Any kind of clearance shopping, you just love to save money, that way you can put that money somewhere else. Right now Walmart is having a huge toy clearance. I'm talking like LOL doll houses for $30. Toys is normally $15, $2.50. 90% off Power Wheels, cheap Instapots, 75-cent items, vacuum cleaners, Beats by Dre, TVs. I even found a $700 TV for $89. So I just try to keep everyone updated on the latest markdowns at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Target, Dollar General, and so much more. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next